Hi guys, in today's video, we are going to look at how to become project manager. You could be either in college, could be tech lead or developer, right? And you want to get into project management. And the third is you are currently non-technical. Just go ahead and comment in the section whether you are 1, 2, or 3, right? So now let's get into project management, right? How to become a PM. Before we do that, we need to understand what is project management, right? Project management is actually managing a project. A project has a start and an end date, right? So between this time, you have to manage your cost, you have to manage your schedule, you have to manage resources. It could be hardware, software, people, right? Yeah. So you have to manage that, and it depends on what kind of project you are managing, right? There are two type of project management methodology today: waterfall and agile, right? If you are in waterfall project, and if you're not PM, if you fall into one of these categories, then for waterfall I would strongly recommend taking a PMP certification, and for agile a CSM certification. To become a PM, your path, right? Your path is education. So education is actually taking a certification. That way, if you are in college with no experience, or if you are a tech lead and you don't know how to effectively manage project, by taking this certification, it will help you to understand what you need to be doing as a project manager. And for non-technical manager, by studying for this examination, you will understand more about what the project management is, and it will help you also to filter your resume out, right? So when you apply for those jobs, having this certification will help you tremendously, because it will help to filter out or to have your resume stand out from the rest, because you have certification which proves that you have the knowledge and the skill set required for the job, right? So one is education, second is experience. So even if you are in college, or if you are not a project manager but doing some kind of development, or if you are in a technical lead, you have some level of experience that when you attend the interviews, you have to ensure that you correlate that experience in answering your questions, right? So when you respond to the project management questions, which I have a separate video on my channel on the basic questions that you need to get prepared when attending project manager job interviews, right? You want to check that out. The path to become a PM is first education. You need to have your certification that will help you in two ways: one, to understand the concept, and two, you can stand out from the rest of the crowd. Because let me tell you, not all the project managers out there who has experience have certifications, and these days most of the job posts that I have seen require one of these certification. Because for PMP you need to be spending at least 1 to 6 months, depending on how much you are spending time studying. For CSM, you can go to a 2 or 3 day class, and then on the third day you can actually get certified. So if you don't have enough time, you want to quickly get into project management, this is one option to get your CSM and get into the job that you're applying for that way. So I hope that helped somewhat to get an idea what you have to do to get into project management world. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you or your friends or relatives are looking to get into project management, and if you think this video is gonna help them, please feel free to share this video with them. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll be posting project management videos every Mondays. And you can also head to nixprojects.com website and subscribe to our newsletter. That way you get the latest videos and blogs and articles related to project management on a weekly or monthly basis. All right, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.